BW2351, please introduce yourself.
My name is Beverly Albino. I am 32 years old. I came from Kidapawan City, North Cotabato. I am finished my college degree, major in foods education. I am a single mother, 2 years old daughter.
Okay, where you come from? What province?
Philippines.
I know where.
North Cotabato, Kidapawan City.
How far to Manila?
1 hour. 1 hour to 20 minutes.
That's by plane, right?
Yes, sir. Using airplane.
Okay. You know, from the airport to your house is about 2 hours?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So, tell how many brothers, sister you have?
I have 3 siblings and 1 brother.
Okay. And you are the second eldest in the family, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And tell me about your education.
I am I am a college graduate. I took education major in foods. While I'm studying, I am a working student because to support my education. So I have lots of experience of working.
Okay. And okay. So you finished college.
Yes, sir. I am a degree holder.
And you said when you were working student before, you work as domestic helper?
I am working abroad as a waiter.
You mean for the last few years you work as a waitress?
Yes, sir.
Where? Iraq?
Yes, sir, and Iraq.
For 4 years?
Yes, sir.
And then you came back, right?
Yes, sir, because I get pregnant.
So, by that time, you get pregnant, you come back, and then what happened?
Yes, sir.
What happened?
Before I came back to Philippines, I get husband and I get pregnant. And and I have a baby. While I have a baby, my husband's sick, and I care for my husband. When he passed away, I I look for a job for domestic helper in abroad.
I see. But you were domestic helper when you were working student
Yes, sir.
for 3 years?
Yes, sir.
You stay
8 years because since
Okay, continue.
8 years I am a domestic helper while I'm studying since high school to college.
I see. So how many kids you took care before?
I have I look for 2 kids for my employer because both of my employer is a teacher. As what I said, I am a single mother too, so I know how to look for a baby and how to feed, how to feeding the baby, bathing, and keep the baby safe because I am the mother.
Okay. Then how do you know a baby gets sick and what should you do?
Of course, I check the temperature using the thermometer, and I tell my employer what happened for the baby, so that the employer know the baby have a sick.
Okay. Uh sing a song to baby.
Sir,
Sing a song to baby.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The people in the bus goes up and down, up and down. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town.
Good. So if you take care young kids in Hong Kong, what can you teach them?
Of course, I teach their lesson and I teach them how to respect the elderly and I teach them how to for their studying.
How would you describe yourself?
I describe for myself as a fighting woman
You do need to fight.
because I have because I have lots of experience in life because you know my husband have a cancer so that I am a positive woman,
Mm.
not a fighting for the employer, sir. I am a fighting. I am a fighting woman for the problems.
Okay,
I know how to handle the problems.
Okay, that sounds quite good. Okay, you can take care baby. How about elderly? Can you take care?
Yes, sir. I treat the elderly as my own family, and of course, I respect them. I respect them when I talk, and also I follow their rules because I know the elderly not the same with us. We need to care of them.
Okay, so if you take care 5 to 10 years old kids, what can you teach them?
I teach them how to study for their lesson, and I teach them how to respect for the people and of course of their parents, how to talk properly,
Mm.
and maybe if I given a chance, I I lesson there for how to cook so that the kids know how to cook,
Okay,
how to clean the.
okay. You have any tattoo on your body?
No, I don't have, sir.
How long you want to work in Hong Kong?
If I give you a chance, it's okay 4 years, 6 years, because you know I am a single mother. I need to support my baby because I don't have husband. So I need to work. I need to stable job, stable income,
Can you
so that if
promise
I
that
give
you will not break the contract, finish the 2 year contract?
no, I promise. I give my full sign contract to my employer
Okay,
because
good.
I need a stable job.
Okay, good. And how many children you can take care?
Two,
Mm.
two.
What age group you can finish? I mean, what age group you can take care?
Uh, 1 year old up to 6 or 10.
Okay, good. Give a message to your future employer.
Hello, my future employer. My name is Beverly Albino. I am 32 years old. I came from Kidapawan City. Please choose me as your domestic helper. I promise I will good to you. I am hardworking and also I am honest, reliable, and I treat you, your family as my own. And God bless.
Okay, TW 2351，我俾佢個 rating 咧係 A 加加嘅。點解佢有兩個加咧？係因為佢大學畢業，老師訓練，英文講得好好。咁佢又喺中東做咗4年嘅侍應，咁對食物處理都好有心得，但係佢就唔識中廚嘅，要再學。咁佢最近嗰2年咧，佢翻咗嚟之後係結咗婚，生咗個 baby 2歲，但係好不幸咧，佢丈夫咧就因為病咧就去世咗。 所以佢要出嚟打工咧，養活自己個小朋友。咁呢個其實出嚟打工養啲小朋友，其實好多單親都係咁做㗎啦。咁但係佢有個好處咧，就即係唔再需要顧住即係背後個男人，就係專心即係打工。所以如果揾到個好嘅僱主係 work along 嘅話咧，係可以打好長嘅工。佢之前嘅有8年咧，佢話係 working student 咧，湊個 baby 湊個小朋友，再加上埋佢而家個 baby 都係2歲，咁所以佢湊 baby 湊個小朋友都係冇問題。當然長者佢要適應下啦。咁種種條件夾埋咧，即係我哋當佢冇出過國即係做家傭啦，所以係俾 A 然後加俾佢，都係即係冇出國之中最有 quality 嘅。佢個人都係比較樸實和善，有笑容。咁我覺得呢個 rating 係啱佢嘅。